Have you ever noticed something strange? The guy in your neighborhood who drives a shiny $90,000 sports car, wearing a $10,000 watch, always showing off his lifestyle on Instagram. He often complains about money running out before the month ends. But the quiet person next door who still drives a 10-year-old Toyota and wears simple clothes somehow manages to send his kids to the best schools, invest in real estate, and retire early with millions in his account. Almost 80% of millionaires in America are first-generation wealthy, and most of them live far below their means. That means the truly wealthy are often invisible. You'd never guess by looking at them. So the big question is, how do rich people quietly build wealth without looking rich? And why do so many of us fall into the opposite trap, looking rich while staying broke? Stay with me till the end, because what you'll discover today can flip your financial reality. By the time we finish, you'll know the hidden habits, the mindset shifts, and the surprising wealth-building strategies the rich practice silently. Strategies that could change your life if you start applying them right now. If success is your goal and you're ready to level up, make sure you subscribe. Every video is crafted to move you closer to the life you deserve. All right, let's dive in. Number 1. The psychology of quiet money. The human brain is wired to crave social recognition more than financial security. That's why so many people spend $300 on sneakers they can't afford, but hesitate to invest even $50 into a dividend-paying ETF that could grow their wealth for decades. People confuse looking successful with being successful. They spend on signals, cars, gadgets, luxury dinners because they want validation. But wealthy people understand a powerful psychological truth. Validation fades, but compounding grows. Think about it. Would you rather impress someone for 30 seconds with a flashy purchase, or impress your future self for 30 years with financial freedom? Instead of showing their money, the rich channel it. They quietly buy assets, stocks, index funds, real estate that nobody claps for on Instagram but keep paying them back forever. The moment you realize that your money is a soldier and your job is to deploy it in the right battlefield, your entire financial game changes. And if you're wondering what those battlefields are, don't worry. We'll get there soon. But first, let's go deeper into why the rich are almost allergic to showing off wealth. Number 2. The power of financial camouflage. Here's an uncommon truth. Being visibly rich is not just expensive, it's dangerous. Flashing wealth invites unnecessary competition, jealousy, and even financial predators. In Japanese culture, there's a term called kakuremin, the cloak of invisibility. It's about staying low-key and avoiding attention, which many Japanese entrepreneurs use to build fortunes without unnecessary eyes on them. Wealthy people use financial camouflage. They deliberately downplay their status. They wear normal clothes, drive modest cars, and live in neighborhoods where nobody suspects they're sitting on multi-million-dollar portfolios. It keeps them safe from two enemies: lifestyle inflation and social pressure. Owning a $2,000 designer bag that loses value the moment you buy it, or quietly owning $20,000 worth of Apple shares that pay you dividends every year. Here's a fact. If you invested $20,000 in Apple stock 20 years ago, it would be worth over $3 million today. No luxury bag in the world can match that. Now the real twist is, how exactly do the rich hide their money in plain sight while multiplying it? That brings us to the next point. Assets over applause. The poor and middle class buy things to look rich. The wealthy buy things that make them rich. The average person's portfolio, filled with liabilities, expensive cars, fancy gadgets, consumer debt. The wealthy person's portfolio, assets that generate cash flow, dividend stocks, rental properties, index funds, and sometimes hedge fund allocations. There's a reason. Warren Buffett, worth over $100 billion, still lives in the same Omaha house he bought in 1958 for $31,500. He doesn't care about applause. He cares about assets. Rich people measure wealth by things you can't see: net worth, equity growth, passive income, stock market appreciation. So ask yourself honestly, do you want to be applauded today or free tomorrow? Now, before you answer, wait till you hear about a wealth strategy so subtle that most people never even notice when the rich are using it. Number 4. The invisible income stream. Imagine waking up tomorrow and your account already has fresh money in it, without you working a single extra hour. That's not a dream, it's how the rich structure their lives. They rely on passive income streams that are invisible to the outside world. No one sees their rental checks, their dividend payouts, or the quiet growth of their index funds. Most people make the mistake of only chasing active income, working harder, longer hours, multiple jobs. The wealthy flip the game. They know one golden rule. If your money isn't working while you sleep, you'll work until you die. What would you rather flex? An expensive dinner bill today, or a dividend check that pays for your dinners forever? If you had invested just $500 a month in the S&P 500 over the past 20 years, you'd have over $400,000 today. That's the power of invisible income streams. But here's the catch. Building invisible income requires one thing that most people avoid, and this next point might sting a little: the discipline of delayed gratification. Did you know that the famous marshmallow test proved that kids who resisted instant gratification grew up to earn 30% more than their peers? Now imagine that principle applied to money. Wealthy people have mastered the art of waiting. They don't buy the latest gadget just because it's new. They don't upgrade their cars every 2 years. They let their investments compound while everyone else spends on fleeting dopamine hits. Most people's mistake is they trade tomorrow for today. They eat the marshmallow now instead of waiting for too later. The transformation happens when you ask yourself this: do I want short-term pleasure or long-term freedom? Number 6, compounding in silence. Compounding doesn't look impressive in the beginning. That's why most people quit before the magic happens. For the first 10 years, your investments may feel slow, maybe just a few thousand in returns. But by year 20 or 30, the curve explodes exponentially. That's why Albert Einstein called compounding the eighth wonder of the world. Wealthy people are patient gardeners. They plant seeds, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and water them quietly year after year without expecting overnight results. Meanwhile, others dig up the soil every year, selling too early, chasing the next trend. Now here's the part most people miss. Compounding doesn't just apply to money. It applies to knowledge, relationships, even habits. And the wealthy use this to quietly multiply not just wealth, but opportunities. Number 7, quiet networks, loud opportunities. Wealth is rarely built alone. It's built in networks. But not the kind of flashy, selfie-filled networking events most imagine. Rich people build quiet, high-trust relationships that multiply opportunities behind the scenes. There's an old African proverb: if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. The wealthy live by this. Think about this. A rich investor might meet a business partner not at a luxury conference, but at a quiet book club or through years of shared charity work. When opportunities arise, like an early IPO allocation, a joint real estate deal, or a hedge fund opening, those chances never make it to Instagram. They're shared quietly, within trust circles. If you focus less on looking connected and more on being trusted, wealth will eventually find its way to you. But there's a hidden rule wealthy people follow in those relationships, one that keeps them from ever being taken advantage of, and it might shock you. Silent boundaries with money. 60% of lottery winners go bankrupt within 5 years. Why? Because once people know you have money, they'll try to access it. Friends, relatives, even strangers. The rich know this danger, which is why they set invisible boundaries. They don't reveal the full extent of their wealth, and they learn how to say no without guilt. Wealthy people do something different. They create rules for their money. For example, they may have a small budget for helping others, but they never touch their investment capital. They treat their financial boundaries like oxygen masks on a plane. Secure your own first, then help others. If tomorrow your bank account showed $1 million, who would you tell? Would you feel safe? If the answer is no, then you understand why boundaries matter. You don't owe proof of your success to anyone. Protect your wealth like a garden. Don't let anyone trample it before the harvest. If you apply even one of these principles, you'll start to feel the shift. Apply them all and your financial life will transform completely. I believe that together, we can build a better, wealthier future. If this inspires you, like it, share with your closed ones so they can benefit from it too, and subscribe to continue this journey with me. Now, if you know about 8 sacrifices you must make to become wealthy, then watch this video. I'll see you there.